Good morning there, flight fans. Welcome aboard Sting Sport for Volume 1 of Flying for Fun and Adventure. Today we're going to look at landings on widely divergent kinds of airports. We're going to take 3 airports. First will be a very large runway, then we'll move to a mountainous landing, and finally we'll end up back down in the valley landing on a very small runway where there's not much margin for error. So, sit back, enjoy, keep your seatbelts loosely fastened in case we hit any turbulence, and let's go flying.
Yolo County traffic, Lightsport 1 Mike Zulu is taking runway 16 straight out departure, Yolo County.
And climb. Climb at BY, 60 knots, about 1,100 feet a minute. Okay, we're on our way. And there's the turn to final. And we'll get that second notch flaps in and start a descent onto a big runway. And what we're going to see here is there's a definite feeling in this sight picture because of the huge runway that we're moving very slowly. But we do have our standard 60 knot descent, and we're dropping about 500 to 700 feet a minute. Maintain that 60 knots. But as you can see, the huge runway makes it feel like there's a feeling of floating down. Okay, we'll get down in the zone here and level it off and let it touch down nice and smooth and easily. Okay, and that's the landing on a huge runway.
Georgetown traffic, Lightsport 1 Mike Zulu turning final, runway 16 Georgetown.
Fire and traffic, Lightsport 30 Yankees turning right downwind 30 Bunner.
And that's what a small runway looks like, folks, in a mountain. Get down in the zone. We're going uphill here. We got to kind of finesse it in because we're going up a hill. And there we are, down and... Okay, and that's the mountainous runway. The idea is we want to come in just a little bit low so we have better control to set it down near or on the numbers.
Lodi Airport, Lightsport 1 Mike Zulu turning final, runway 25 Lodi Airport.
Okay, there it is, pretty small, looking good. Keep the descent, 60 knots. Might have to apply some power at the end to make it. Pretty hefty wind too. Some crosswind. A little low, can apply some power. All right. And that beautiful runway runs out right down here. So we're going to go ahead and stop here so we still have enough room to turn around and back taxi. And we'll have to swing wide to do that. Get that right wheel right over to the edge here. There we go. Let's see if we can make it now. 22-foot runway, not much. All right. And there we are, Lodi Airport, postage stamp. Anyway, folks, we're going to be landing here in just a few short minutes. So I'd like to thank you for coming along today. I hope you enjoyed this first volume of the Stingport Sport video. And you'll come back and watch the additional ones that will be coming up before too long. So, have a good day and see you next time.